have a chat and class live session. And what this is Illuminate. If you click Join Session, it's going to have to go through and do an installation process because you do need a little bit of software for this. So it's downloading Illuminate Live. So you'll see this process starting with Java. This will be the next pop-up, and you'll want that to run. And then as that happens, you see a little blue screen pop up that says Illuminate Live version 10 Lite Edition. And this is the pop-up you get. It will ask for the type of connection you have. Right now, I'm going to be the only participant in here. Also, you and your classmates can come in. You can set up a time to both come into the chat, and you can help each other or have a study session. There, right now, I just have the arrow, but if I wanted to write something, I could do that. Or my handwriting is not so great with the mouse, so maybe I want to use a text box and say, how do I add fractions? And the other people or person in the chat could respond to you. Now the great thing is not only do you have a board here where you can draw and type to each other, but also it's voice. So if there are microphones and headphones or microphones and speakers, you can actually have conversations with each other, so it makes it a little bit easier to communicate. There are other tools here. I suggest that you try Illuminate Live and just kind of play around with some of these tools to see how they all work. Also, there's document sharing. And the document sharing is where you can find your syllabus, and you can also find any other documents that have been uploaded. So, for instance, in course documents, we can see that there's the pacing schedule or your guide, your schedule for the course, as well as the syllabus is right here. So, if you would like to download these, if you want to download both of them, you can select them both and then download. Also, you have the option if you want to upload a document to the document sharing area, that you can upload documents to share with the class. You have lecture notes, which whenever lecture notes become available, they'll be underneath this heading. And same with test reviews, whenever those become available, they'll come under this heading. Should you find a really great resource to help people study for tests, you might want to ask your instructor if it's okay for you to add that to the test reviews. You go to Upload Document, and then you can choose if you want only the instructor to be able to see this, or if you want the entire class to be able to see this. So if it's something the instructor wants to approve first, you could upload so that only the instructor can see it, browse through, find the file, select it, and then click Upload Document. If it's something you already have approval for the entire class to see, then select entire class and go through the same process of browsing, selecting, and uploading the particular file that you want to share. The HTML ebook, again, this is the ebook. This is the alternate version of your book, so it's accessible to screen readers. This actually is not available yet. You'll get this pop-up, but it will be coming soon. If you have any other questions about my math lab, you can go to Help and Support, and this will pop up different links that you're in my math lab. So you would want student help in my math lab. This pops up another window, and this is sort of like some self-service to where you can go through and try to use the navigation here on the left to find what topic you're interested in, or if there's a particular course tool, for instance, that you're not sure how to use, such as the chat. This will go through and give you instructions on how to do that, and then also tell you where else to look to get more information. So don't forget about that help and support link up here. If you have any questions, you should ask your instructor. Everyone have a great math class.